My name is Lady Urrego. I am 31 years old. I am from Oala, Cundinamarca. My phone number is 311-672-4231 and my address is Avenue 91, number 9474. I live in house. I get up at 4 a.m. and I take a shower in my bedroom. There is a bedroom near my bedroom on the second floor. I get dressed and I have breakfast in the kitchen. There is a chair next to a window in the dining room. I go to work at 6 and arrive home at 5 p.m. and watch TV at 9. There is a television in front of a telephone in my living room. I like playing volleyball. I like listening to music and reading. I don't like washing time and I don't like go to crowd places. Last week I went to cinema with my friends. I will saw an action movie. Last vacation we visit Melgar and we had a great time. Thank you